I'm Doug Payne. I'm the parts manager of EARNHARDT LEXUS on Camelback. This is our new facility. We've been here about 2 months and just getting moved in and getting situated. One of the things that a tool that we have on with our new operation is the Modula vertical lift, and we're using the Modula vertical lift to store some of our fastest moving parts that are close to the back counter. This will store an immense amount of parts compared to the traditional shelving. It's also at a height to where you can easily access it, and it's well lit so that you can find the parts. It's much easier than being in static shelves. We do like the ability to use the adjustable positions with the partitions, because we can take the partitions and adjust those for any size part that we want to put away. The adaptability to go ahead and just delete that location and to update it to what we need, what size part is going to fit on that shelf as we go is very beneficial. When we're not in the parts department and the machine is shut down, someone would have to have knowledge of how to start up the machine to be able to access anything. So there's a lot of safety to where you can put something in there and no one else can access it. The laser pointer is great. This right here is a three-dimensional type of a pointer. One thing that I really like about the bay lights is they're also a safety feature also, because the lights will not go on until it's safe to break the beam to put your hands in there. So as far as a safety issue, the people that are using the lift learn that the only time that they should be putting their arms in there is when the light is on. One of the things that I like about the Modula is when you're looking at the software, it's actually a map of what you have on the tray. So when you're looking at the tray, the map of it shows in pretty easy to understand type of a layout where you can tell what parts are available and what spaces are being used. And I thought that was a real straightforward way to do it. The integration that we're working on right now is we use a CDK in-house system. And the CDK system, when you make a counter ticket, it allows you to print the counter ticket, or you can print a pick ticket. And that pick ticket could be used in different applications. I have worked with a vertical carousel before and had it in our parts department. Building this store right here, we looked at the vertical lift. Some of the things that I like about the vertical lift is there's 40 shelves in here, and since there's 40 shelves, we have 40 bin locations, where with the vertical carousel, everything was in one bin location. The lift is taking a third of our inventory and putting it about 10 feet away from the back counter, so that's a very big plus. Being able to be vertical instead of being horizontal lets us make the best use of the space and puts it close to the back counter. So and to me that's the first benefit. And then the organization with it well lit and with you being able to see the parts, with the pointer showing where the part comes from, it's I think that's another big benefit. I think that it's a great product, and I think it's very easy to use, and it's an asset to our organization.